Hi guys, I'm Samshine and welcome to my art channel. I'm so happy to have you here with me today. I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing and demoing this brand new metallic watercolor art set that I've brought. I recently did a review of this gold metallic watercolor set. I was so impressed by this brand. So they're called CSY Art Gallery. I had never heard of them before until I brought this gold set, and I was just so impressed with the results. This is just a quick look back at some of the results that it produced. As you can see, it's just absolutely gorgeous. That was a set of 6 in different types of gold, as you can see. And basically, I decided, you know what, I would like to see if they've got silver. They have this moon gold in the gold palette set, which is actually quite silvery if you look at it in a different sort of light. But I wanted to buy silver watercolor palette set. When I was looking for the silver palette set, I saw that they actually have a wide variety of different types of palettes in different color schemes, and I ended up buying this that I'm about to show you, which is basically a wide variety of every color. So I've gone with this one that I'm going to show you now. And by the way, I brought this set from Amazon. I have all the links down below, which are affiliate links. It came delivered in this brown box and this bubble wrap. And let's have a look. So again, it's by CSY Art Gallery. They've got an Instagram there if you'd like to see more from them. This is a honey handmade watercolor set. I think that's what they call this particular set. All of their watercolors, I think, are handmade, which is really impressive. But with my first thoughts, I've got to say I was quite disappointed by the packaging for the watercolors here. If you look at the other set that they did, just look, it's like such a cool little tin box. And I love that. This is actually one of my favorite all-time art supply products now. I use this as my #1 go-to for gold, so I'm going to see if this is also going to be a go-to. I'll try and ignore the packaging. This is some sort of plastic packaging. I know some people don't like using plastic. This does appear to be plastic. But opening it up inside, I do notice some of the paints actually keep falling out. But as you can see, this is the first look. Look at all of the colours there. There are silvers here, which is great because I did want to at least get one great quality silver from them. They've got a pearly white type of colour too. I was very impressed. They've got a black metallic. I look forward to trying that one out. So black, white, silver, there's lots of greens. And I've noticed there tends to be dark and light of every colour. So we've got dark greens, light greens. These will be great for landscapes or nature-based colours. Then we've got blues. This blue looks absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. They all shimmer so well. And we've got a dark blue here, like a sea kind of blue. And we've got this light blue here, another silvery blue there. We've got an orange metallic colour. We've got burgundy reds. These two are very similar. They almost look like the same colour, I would say. But maybe when I do the demonstration and the swatches, they may look different. This is some sort of pinky, dark pink colour, I would say. And next to the burgundy red here is a light pink. Then we have a very obvious pink here, quite bright. I think that's most of the colours represented. We've got bronzes. I'm not sure how I would describe this colour. We've also got purple here. I almost left purple out. That's a beautiful purple. Look at that. And then there's a lilac purplish colour there. Some of them are hard to pick up on camera, but as you can see, it does cover a wide variety. There are 30 colours here in total. So what I've done is I've pre-drawn a wide variety of drawings, and in the backgrounds of my drawings, I'm just going to sample each one. Thing just to mention is I noticed these don't tend to have their own individual names, which means I guess on the bright side, you can come up with your own names. I tried to remove these. It's a little bit tricky. But as you can see, they don't have names. I've been looking around every angle. There doesn't seem to be a name, which is not so important. I think these stay in place. When I got this tin, just to show a comparison. I can't see it now, but if you look at my other video, on the backs, they had individual names, but these came loose and they were individually wrapped. So these two are from the same company, but they arrived very, very differently. The sizes also actually are very different, actually. I just realised I'm holding them side by side. These, I would say, are double the size. It's hard to show without taking them out. These are just not coming out for now because I secured these really well to the tin. As you can see though, there are some similar colours. These two here look like they're the same colour almost. So there are some duplicates, but that's fine. I guess you can never have enough gold. I'm hoping that they're very pigmented though, because I was so impressed how pigmented these were. The only thing is you do have to work in a lot of layers for some of these 6. Whereas with these ones today, I'm going to see how many layers they need because I'm quite curious about that. Some may need more layers than others. I'm wondering how pigmented the black will be because I'm assuming for to get a really rich metallic black, that would probably need a lot of layers, and the purple as well. I think the darker colours. So as you can see, I've got some pre-made drawings I've done. I'm just going to put the metallics in the background and play around with the different images I've done. I did 30 drawings. I had fun doing it. I'm currently doing a 100-day 100 portraits in 100-day challenge, and I am getting there. I'm into the 60s now, so this is part of that. These Bridgerton style drawings, very high hairstyles, and then I thought, let me draw these girls upside down. I think I will use blue for these, so it's a sort of ocean water theme. I thought it was quite funny. I drew one with no hair, and I thought it'd be quite funny to show, like maybe she's got a wig that fell off or something. Just a little bit of humour. Now, the emphasis is not so much on the artwork, it's really just to see how the colours work. I don't know what colours I am going to use yet for each individual drawing. It's my regular sketchbook I use in all my videos. I have the link for this down below. It's my favourite sketchbook. It's actually a marker pad for alcohol markers, but I use it for everything, really. These are my old watercolours. As you can see, they don't go through the page. And it hasn't made the paper too warped. And these are also the swatches actually from the other one. So I'm going to do the same now. I've talked quite a lot now, so the time is for painting and having fun with art. thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask down below. And I have links for everything used in this video down below. Look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.